Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Countingup Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Countingup Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a business account designed to simplify accounting and financial management for small business owners and freelancers. It aims to provide a streamlined platform for invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Key features include automated bookkeeping and tax calculations. Their website provides details on the various pricing plans and features. Countingup positions itself as an all-in-one solution, emphasizing ease of use and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They boast a straightforward approach to accounting, making it accessible even for those with limited financial expertise. Availability is UK-wide, and you can check their website for eligibility details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Countingup Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and intuitive, requiring only basic information. Navigating the interface was easy. The dashboard is well organized and clearly displays key financial metrics. I particularly appreciated the automated invoicing feature. It saved me a considerable amount of time. I created several invoices, tracked expenses, and even reconciled my bank account, all within the platform. The performance was consistently reliable, the system was always responsive, and the reports generated were accurate and easy to understand. I had a quick question about categorizing a specific expense, and their support responded within a day via email, offering a clear and helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated tax calculations, a real time saver. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing things on my phone was slightly less convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Countingup. It streamlined my accounting significantly, freeing up time to focus on growing my business. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations for ease of use. That's my overview of Countingup Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.